Hello everyone, doing a video today. It's been a while since I did a video, but I got some stuff in the mail and I wanted to put a video out. Been doing good. The weather today is awesome. It feels like summer out there. The sun's out, it's shining, it's nice and warm. I'm liking the weather now. Kind of the wintertime got old real quick, and I'm glad to see it's done and over. Uh, the freezing temperatures mostly. We didn't get a lot of snow this year, but here in Pennsylvania, but we haven't been getting lots of snow lately for the past 3 or 4 years. We get snow, but not like we used to get it up here. We used to get like snow up to your knees. We don't see that kind of snow anymore, but we got a lot of freezing temperatures during the winter time. So yeah, I got a few packages in today, so we'll open them up. I hope everybody's been doing good. I've been doing great. Watching prices. There's a lot of deals out there if you got the money to buy stuff. Lots of deals, and I've been buying some slabs, Morgans, Peace Dollars, Walkers. Peace Dollars, the slab Peace Dollars are really cheap compared to what they used to go for not too long ago. Like those prices have come down quite a bit. Even the raw Morgans and Peace Dollars, those prices have come down quite a bit. But yeah, and I buy most of the stuff I buy off of eBay. And how I usually buy either through the auctions or make an offer. And sometimes they put up a price and you can negotiate. You have like up to 5 times for negotiations. And sometimes they want like way over retail. And you really can't negotiate when they're asking like to the moon prices for what they got. But when they're right around, they're under what PCGS or the gray sheet, maybe I always throw a low ball offer, and then they come back and throw another offer back, and the low ball I throw, sometimes they come back and they're like no or whatever. I just move on and I try to find a better deal. So I got this at a pretty decent price. 46D MS65 NGC, really beautiful walker. Walking Liberty $50. Yeah, that is very nice. Not bad at all. Here's my 44 MS63. Really nice coins. You can't call these coins junk silver. They're not far from junky looking, the worn down slicks. Very collectible Walking Liberties, and the prices have came down on them too as well. Like silver prices has been really weak, and gold's taken off. I think the ratio for gold and silver is gonna get wider and wider. That's my honest opinion. Is right now we see like 90 to 1. Maybe it comes down to like 80, 86, 87. Recently it came down to 80, but then it popped right back up. Well, it was at 97, and then it went down to 80. Now it's back up to 90. We can see 100 to 1 some point this year. Who knows? Gold's going up, Bitcoin's going rocketing. It's almost at all-time highs itself, and silver is just stagnant. You know, it's at 23, 22. It should be in the 30s, 40s, if not higher by now. I don't know how they keep it this low, this long, without, because a lot of people are still buying lots of silver, and the premiums have came down on Eagles. A lot of people are buying Eagles, and nowadays, because the premiums have come down. I need a 24 MS62. Excuse me. Yeah, a little bit. It's not a perfect. It's not a 64. I think it's decent for the grade. I wouldn't say it's higher than a was it 62? I wouldn't say it's higher than a 62. This was really cheap, so I bought it because I needed a 24. I didn't want anything, like a higher grade or anything. I just wanted something to go along. I got the 21 high relief, the 22, 23, the 25. I needed 26, 27. So I'm trying to just collect a few of these coins. Decent ones. Not bad at all. Yeah. I got this 23 a while back, MS63, and I hate when they do this. They put these stickers on the back of the thing, and I try to get the sticker off, and it was stubborn. It ripped off, and it was still like the paper was there. So I took a brush and some soap. This is a pretty decent coin. I took a brush and some soap, and I started to go after the sticker, but I didn't realize it until it was too late. This whole thing started to come off. But oh well, this was cheap. A cheap slab I bought, an old fatty holder, and my mistake. Now I guess I just gotta leave the stickers on if you don't come off easily. So yeah, Bitcoin is what, 62 going on 63. I think its high was 69, and so they're claiming 100,000. I seen somebody said 80,000 is a good target to reach, and so people are just buying it up. It seems like it's in a bull market, and gold's in a bull market, and gold could be 2,300 by the end of this year, and silver's just lagging behind. They always say silver lags gold, but it's been lagging gold for forever, it seems. Forever. And one day it's got to move higher. You would think everything's going up. Everything. And silver to be at 23 and 23 bucks, it's not right. Everybody's like, oh, it's manipulation, it's this and that, but I don't know. I know it's manipulated, but everything in the market these days, you could call it manipulated. Even if silver goes higher, that could be manipulation too. But people would rather have it be manipulated higher than lower, of course. Especially if you're looking to, if you bought high, you're looking to at least start to break even. If you've been in the market for, say, 3 or 4 years, you should be breaking even, or if not, appreciation. And if you bought at the right times, your silver should be appreciating by now. We see silver in the 21s a lot. We've seen it in the low teens. Like in 2019, it was like 13, 14 bucks an ounce. And if you got in then, you're not doing great. You would have did better in gold, but your asset that you bought is still appreciating. And I think it's just going to take more time for silver to do what the rest of the market's doing. Maybe it's going to be the last to move. Well, it is. It's going to be the last. Everything else is going up. And it looks like silver's going to be the last one to move up higher. I've been slowly buying some miners. I bought Pan Am silver. I bought a few shares, nothing big, just took a little bite. And I'm already up $3 on 4 shares, so within a couple days, not bad. So yeah, what you guys been up to? Been buying anything? Been buying any gold? I didn't catch that dip under 2,000. Like right after that video, I said gold was doing pretty good at 2,000. I didn't see it going under 2,000. I think it was the next day. Some, that data came out and gold dropped below 2,000. And I didn't have money in the right place to capitalize. But I eventually bought some. And I was like, well, it's not the greatest price. But then a couple days later, gold goes to 2,085 or 83. And I was like, I guess I bought the dip. I'm hoping well, I got another random date. Maple. Yep, another random date. Take it out. Got a capsule. Maples are good. I like the maples. They're pretty decent. The prices on them. The 1/10 Britannias, well, not now, but when I bought my 1/10 Britannia, I paid like $2.29. I don't know what they're going for now. $19.92. Yep, it's a older date. 92, I got a 97. Oh, 84. I got the 84 and 92. 92 maple. Not bad. So, yeah, it looks like I bought the dip. Who knows? I wanted to pull back. And I have a feeling they just ruled, Supreme Court just ruled, I don't know if the states are going to take it seriously or just do whatever they want to do. But they just ruled that, they can't take Trump off the ballot. But if Trump wins and becomes president, I see a pullback in the metals. That's what I think is probably going to happen. But until then, I think gold's going to do pretty good. A lot of things in the market is going to rip higher. Um, I would think it would come down if Trump won the metals anyway. But it looks like the market is all about risk on, especially with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the jam right now. Everybody's talking about it. What I'm watching, they're starting to make the claims like 100,000, 600,000, and with gold they're saying 25 to 5,000. I don't see 5,000 this year. I see at least 23, 24. That would be a good target price for the end of the year. But who knows? They said, if Biden took office, which he did, it would be good for silver and gold. Gold did all right, but silver not so much. I think if Trump wins, I think we could see a good pullback, and I'm hoping this summer we see even a bigger pullback coming, because usually the summertime the metals don't do so great. So that's what I'm waiting to see if summer comes and we see a decent pullback, maybe a couple $100 in gold. That would be nice. And silver under 20. That would be all right. Yep. So that's what I got for today, guys. I'll catch you on next one. Keep stacking. Peace. Over and out.